I'm getting some strange pops out of the envelope generator voltage controlled amplifier combination. I suspect that's an artifact of. I suspect that's an artifact of from the envelope generators, but I don't know how to fix it, and hence this video. So you'll note I have a noise, and you can hear it popping. I both attack and release. So I don't know why that is. It could be an artifact of this keyboard, but I kind of doubt that. The only issue is I don't really have a good way. I don't have a good way to test that because I don't have any. I don't have a trigger converter, so that's kind of annoying. So we'll have to test that at a later date. So yeah, if anybody has any idea why, I would appreciate it. Bye.